Scene: a young woman sits at a desk drawing on a large sheet of paper. She speaks directly to the camera. You know, I always thought cartoons were just for kids, but then I started making my own, and I realized how much fun it is to bring characters to life. It's like magic. You can create anything you want and tell any story you want. And the best part is you don't need any fancy equipment or software. All you need is a pen, some paper, and a little bit of imagination. So, if you're looking for a creative outlet, I highly recommend giving cartooning a try. You might just surprise yourself with what you can create.